So add enter manually, click that. Yes, now this window opens. I'll enlarge this for you. Now here I'm enlarging, just I'm enlarging, nothing else. Just I'm enlarging, just I'm enlarging. Yes. Now the word to watch, the word to watch is, the word to watch is type, type, type. Now this is NAC Institutional Accreditation Manual. This manual, I want to cite this manual. Let us say a soft copy or a reference is not available online, but I have the copy. Now what should we do? Type. What is the type? What is the type? The type is a statute or a report or a patent. What is the type of the physical book you want to enter? That as a researcher, you should specify. You should specify. Now let us say this is the book. This is the book. Let us say this is the book. Now, so you have to specify the type. You have to specify the type. Now, book. Select that. Select that book. What is the name of the book? Let us say the name of this book is Marketing Research and Applied Orientation. Applied Orientation. Marketing Research and Applied Orientation. Authors. Authors. Next comes authors. Authors. Naresh K. Malhotra and Satyabhushan Dash. Naresh K. Malhotra. So when you enter the author name, first author, you enter, type the name and press enter. And press enter. Yes. Now whatever the format it takes. Don't worry about the format. First name, second name, middle name. Don't worry. You just feed in the name. Next is Satyabhushan Dash. Satyabhushan Dash. Satyabhushan Dash. Say enter. Suppose let us say this is the NAC manual. So now you have to type NAC and specify as institution. And specify as institution. Specify as institution. Now say enter. Say enter. Yes. Second author is enter. So we have entered the author names. First, the type. Type is book. Type is book. Next, title of the book. Authors. Now year. 2016. Pages. 796 pages. 796 pages. Now abstract we don't have. Tags we will come again later on. Author keywords we will come. City, New Delhi. Type and enter. Edition, 7th edition. Editors, no editors. Publisher, Pearson India Education Services Limited. Yes. Is this information sufficient for a book? The type we have specified. Title we have specified. Authors, year, pages, city, edition, and publishers. Yes. For a book, these details are enough. How do we know? Refer to the styles of the citation manual. Now majority of us are management researchers, and let us say APA style, American Psychological Association style. Somebody is scribbling. Vasanti madam, don't touch the screen, please. Yes. Now I forget where I was. Yes. Now go to APA referencing manual. I think it is a 700 pages manual. Now how to cite a book. how to cite a journal article, how to cite a web page, how to cite an encyclopedia. Everything is given there. Now recently APA 7th style manual is also available. So whatever the citation style we want to use, we have to refer to the manual for the information that we need to feed in. So now that itself we have to undergo a course, right? But we have read through a lot of articles. We have read through journals where we have seen the reference section, and somehow we remember these are the basic informations which are used for citing a book. Yes. So based on that knowledge, we have feed in the details. And finally, say yes. Save. Say save. Yes. Save. Now it appears here. Malhotra Naresh dash Shadya Bhushan, Marketing Research and Applied Orientation, 2016, published in dismissing. Generally for books that will not, publisher name will not appear. So do not worry. Do not worry. Now when did we feed in? 6:35 p.m. 6:35 p.m. Right. Now if you see, the PDF icon is missing. The PDF icon is missing. PDF icon is missing. PDF icon is missing. Why? Because we don't have any PDF attached with this item. So now we have to, now we don't have, because we said it is published somewhere and we don't have access to that. Now let us say maybe through one of the research forums, we requested some of our members for this article or book. So let us assume that they have mailed the article or the book. So now what we can do? Yes. Now click on the item, click on the item, click on the item, click on the item. Now scroll down this area. Now we have files. Now we have files. Now let us say that PDF file is somewhere available. PDF file is available somewhere. Let us say this is the file. Let us say I rename that file. Karthi, actually we can control this, Karthi. We can control this. Okay, that is the book. Let us say that is the book. Now, participants, please do not scribble. Yes. WXYZ, that is the name of the user. I think like my son, someone, a small kid is there. So they are using the laptop or the mobile phone. Yes. This happens when we are in the lockdown and we are working from our home. Yes. Now going back to Mendeley. Oh, this is not at all visible. Okay. Now here, files. Click there. Now I know the location. It is in desktop, Mendeley session, the item. This is the item. I locate the item and I open. Annotate. Where? Okay. No, some participants, they will give in the comments, they will give idea. Don't worry. What, madam? Annotate, huh? Shall I stop share and share again?
Once you stop share.
Participants, please wait. Sorry.
This option.
The screen share menu at the top of it. It's Kati, do it, yeah. Please wait. Sorry. Click the more button. Professor. All through days we were using Microsoft Teams. And suddenly due to these limitations, we shifted to Zoom. Do it for me. Now shall I share again? Yes. Am I audible? Am I audible? I think I didn't share this. Yes. That yes. Yes, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you. I'll share sound also. Okay. Yes. Thank you, dear participants. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Right. Now, yes. Now see this reference. Naresh Malu, Anjali, madam. Disable that, yeah. Okay, now our technical team, they are working. Sorry, they are working on that. Please bear with us. Now we'll go to the session. Right. Now you see here that reference has come. That reference has come as well as the PDF file is there. So this is how you have to enter your references manually. You have to enter your references manually. Done. Okay. Yes, this is how we have to enter manually. Enter manually. What, sir? Will be here now? Yes. Right. Now we have brought in a group of articles from our desktop, from a folder. Then we learned how to bring in an entire folder. We have also learned how to bring in a file manually. Example, this book we have brought in. Now we can also bring in from websites. Okay. Anil sir, come here. Okay, now manually we'll enter one more reference. File, add entry manually. File, add entry manually. But for your information, many of the things are available online. Very rare cases, especially in literature and history, we may not have access to. So at that time, definitely we may need this option as well. So now once again, file, add entry manually. File, add entry manually. Just I'm enlarging this. Type, specify. Now what is the type? Let us say a newspaper article. Let us say newspaper article. Now what is the title of the article? You have to specify. Specify the type of the title of the article. Then authors, publication, year, page number. Then for newspaper, we need to add the date also. Date of the news. So the earlier case, we entered for a book where we stopped with publisher name. Now we are entering a newspaper article. So we need to specify the date, month. You have to specify the date and month. Here also you specify. Then city and all other information. Now, if this news article is from a website, from a website, then you link the URL also. We have to copy paste the URL also. So finally, after doing this, you click save. You click save. This is how we have to bring in an article, a newspaper, or any document manually into our Mendeley library. Now this is called Mendeley desktop, where this section is called as our library. This section is called as our library. Before proceeding further, I just want you to take through a small arrow which is here in this area. In this area, a small arrow. If I click that arrow, yes, the screen expands. Now, if I click any article, the information, the metadata is not available for view. So what to do? Go back and click that arrow. Now it is at the end of the screen here, somewhere here. The arrow is here. Just click that. Just click that. Yes. Now you can also minimize the screen or you can expand the screen, no problem. Yes, like any function, we can just drag, minimize, or we can expand. Right? Okay. Right. Now this is how we have to bring in our metadata. Right. Right. Now we will bring in from a website. So we entered manually, we brought in some files, we brought an entire folder. Now let us say this reference is available online and we want to bring that here. So now okay. Now scholar.google.com. Yes. Now corporate governance and CSR. That is my keyword. Corporate governance and CSR. Now we have access to these databases. So this PDF file is also available for download. Now I am scrolling down. Yes. Now let us say we want this book. Global Perspectives on Corporate Governance and CSR. I want to use this book in my thesis content. I want to refer this. So now what you usually will do? We'll copy the book title, paste in our thesis. We copy the author name and here paste. Then we'll see what is the year or publisher. Then we will format according to the information available. Now this Google Scholar and other databases we can directly download. Now under this book, under this item, Global Perspectives on Corporate Governance and CSR, there is one quote icon, double quote icon. Now click that. Yes. Now you see. Karthik, can it be minimized? Yes. Here we have this one. This one, can we minimize this? Now see this one. MLA style, APA style, Chicago style, Harvard style, Vancouver style. So the management scholars, we majority of the time we use this APA style. So what we will do, we will copy this, go to our Word document. Let us say new Word document. Yes. We'll say, okay, let us say introduction over, literature review over, methodology over, data analysis and findings also over. Then conclusion or discussion, whatever we have over. Finally, we have references. So yes, references. Now what we have done? We have formatted our paper or article and we have pasted whatever we have taken. So we need APA style. Now suppose I am using Harvard style because my university suggests to use Harvard style. So I will copy Harvard style and replace this APS style. Or we can even see the differences. Only minor difference only between these two. Yes. See here. Here one comma is there. Here we don't have comma. Right? Here editors. It is in the bracket. Here no brackets. So there are minor variations between different styles. And if we are sending a different citation style, then what is asked for? No. They will say format it. There are some errors. They will send us back. The journal or the viewers or whoever, proofreaders, whoever maybe, they will send us back. So it is very important. Yes. Now this is what usually we have done. But now we have to automate. We want to automate it through this reference manager software. So what we can do, instead of copying, we can click this ref works. So we have BibTeX format. Those are file formats. BibTeX, EndNote, reference manager, ref works. So now click this reference manager. Click this reference manager. Yes. Once when you click this reference manager, a small file is downloaded here. A small file is downloaded here. Name of the file is scholar bracket 2.RIS, research information system format. RIS format, research information system format. It's a small file. Where it is downloaded? Yes, just click this arrow. Show in folder. This folder is the default downloads folder, and my downloaded file is there. Scholar.RIS. That's the file. Now, this file, research information system file, has information about this book, Global Perspectives on Corporate Governance and CSR. I'll zoom it, madam. Yes. Now, what I have explained is this Global Perspectives. This is the book we want to cite. We clicked this cite button, cite icon, double quote icon. We click this. Then here, usually we were copying and pasting it in our document, but now we want to use the reference manager. So we clicked this reference manager, REFMAN, refman. So just I clicked that and a small file got downloaded. The name of the file is scholar bracket 2.RIS, research information system file. And just I want to know the location of the file. So just I open and it is here. Scholar RIS. Now I can bring this file into Mendeley. Now let us try to bring. Go to Mendeley. File, import. Under this, we have three options: BibTeX, EndNote XML, or RIS, Research Information Systems. Now go and select that option. Okay, file, import, Research Information Systems. Now click that. Where is the file? Located? Yes, where is the file located? It is located in the downloads folder. Now go to the downloads folder, select that file and say open. Click open. See what happens? Yes. Now this is available for citation, or this is available in our library. We need not copy paste, or we need not feed in manually. We can directly import. Now see, yes, if you click this, yes, the metadata is available. Global perspectives on corporate governance and CSR. Authors, here is available. Page numbers, once again, you can refer that and copy paste. City is also missing. You can copy and paste. So this is how we can bring any resources from Scholar, Research Scholar. Yes. Google Scholar. Sorry. Google Scholar. Yes. Now we'll download one more reference. Yes. Go to the second page. Yes. Let us say we are interested in bringing this. Now let us click this and see if the PDF article is available. Yes. Yes, it is opening. Yes, PDF is available for download. It might be free or it is showing through SSIM subscription. Now click download. Now we all know this. Click download. Yes, select a location. I want to save in desktop and say save. MWR025 is the file name. MWR025 is the file name. Now we'll bring that. Go to mainly file, add files. It is in desktop. The article is in desktop. Yes. The name of the article is, where did I say? MWR. Yes. It is saved in mainly session. Yes. Select the file and open. Yes, it is available. It is available. I think already that is our, yes. Now it is available. Right. Now we can just sort it. We click this added variable name, added. Yes, it is sorted. Now you see this article, implications of corporate governance, I have added in 2019. The same article we have also brought in today. So it is showing the first time when I brought this article. Yes, it shows the history. Then corporate governance reforms in India also, it was brought in 2019 into the library and still it is there. Yes. Now we'll bring one more RIS file. I'll demonstrate and we can move further. Now go back. Yes. We were here. Yes, let us scroll down. Okay, let us say we want this reference and assume the PDF file is not there. So what to do? Go to the site option. Yes, site option and click reference manager. Click that. And just click that and see a small file gets downloaded. Refman. Now it should be bracket 3. Already we have 2 files, bracket 3. Now where it is available? It is available in the default download folder. Now go to Mendeley, file, import, not add files, not add entry manually, import. So import, what is the file format? RIS format, Research Information Systems format. Select that. It is in download folder. So locate that file. Name is Scholar 3 and say open. Yes, it should be there. 6:58 p.m. Devini Timothy et al. Corporate Social Responsibility and Corporate Governance 2013 Corporate Governance and International Review. We have not brought in the PDF file, so PDF icon is not there. Now if we click there, then it will be sorted. Yes. So for these 2 items, we don't have any PDF document attached. At later stage, if we get the PDF file, just click on the item, scroll down, and here we have this file. Here we have this files. Now if you click that files, yes, you have to locate the file and say open, then automatically it gets linked to this reference. Now, whatever the changes we are doing, it gets saved automatically. No control Z or no control S in Mendeley. It automatically gets saved. No control Z. We cannot go back. Okay. Yes. Now this is how we can bring files into Mendeley. So we use two options. One is add files, and the other is import options. Now we have imported one by one. This RIS files we have imported one by one. And if you have downloaded many files, let us say 10 files you have downloaded, 15 files you have downloaded, just you can select all and bring in using this import option. Later stages, whenever you have access to these PDF files, yes, definitely you can link that here. Yes. Now let us open this file. We'll sort this. Now see, business ethics. It is not having published in information, and we may also feel that the title also missing, and author also, you see, it is business ethics. So what we can do, please follow me. We are going to the next topic. First, we have imported the e-resources. Now, how this Mendeley can be used to read, that we are going to see. In addition to that, we'll see how to feed in the data manually, metadata manually also we'll see. Now double click, it opens here. Double click, it opens here. Double click, it opens here. Yes. Okay. Now, what is the title? The title of the article itself. The title of the article itself, introduction. Maybe a journal, introduction for the journal, like an editorial. Or maybe it is a, yes, it is a journal only, Journal of Business Ethics. So it is an introduction only. So what we can do? Introduction already there. Yes, I'm using this pan, this portion. I'm using this portion, this portion. Now click on that introduction, delete other things. So the title of the journal article itself, introduction only, introduction only. Now authors, yes, we have to copy, Daryl Reed. You can select here itself. You can select like you are copying in our Word document or Google Scholar, whatever be. Just select. You can say Control C, or you can use right click and copy. Right click and copy. Keep here. Delete whatever information already available and say Control B. This tab, I don't know. Which one? Please wait. Sorry. First. Okay. Oh, disable the chat. Wait, the gentleman Karthik will come. He will disable. Please wait. Yes. Don't see the chat. See my screen. Sorry. Yes. Now, yes, it is. Yes, definitely it is disturbing me also. Yes. Maybe tomorrow all these things will be set right. Definitely. Now, journal. Copy. Journal of Business Ethics. Control C and paste in the journal title. Karthi, disable this chat. Yeah. Yes. Now here, Mendeley is capturing this as 2021. Actually, it is 2002 only. So manually we can do it. 2002. Volume 37. You see here this information. Volume 37. Yes, it is there. Volume 37. Yes, it is there. Issue number 3. Yes, it is there. Any information related to pages? No. 221. Page number 221. This information is available here. So we just feed in that detail 221. Any other information? Yes. If you want some citation styles, they ask DOI. DOI. So now, if DOI information is available, you can copy and paste that. Here we have this URL. Yes, we can copy digital object identifier, DOI. Control C and paste in the URL. Yes. Now, when we close this, yes, it gets saved automatically. It gets saved automatically. Now, what is that? Introduction. See this? This file we have edited now. Read Daryl, introduction 2002 Journal of Business Ethics. So this is how we can feed in the metadata manually. So whatever the item needs your attention, you can just double click, open and feed in the details. Now I'm not going into that, but anyhow, this paper is from National Law School of India review. Copy and paste in the journal. Author, only one author. Some cases when there are more than one author, when you are copy pasting, please note, when you are copy pasting more than one authors, paste one by one. Copy the first author, paste, enter. Copy the second author, paste, enter. Copy the third author, enter. Yes. So at a stretch, you should not copy all the three authors. Then Mendeley will treat that all the three authors as a single author, a lengthy author name. How can we identify that? When we cite in our document, Word document, when we cite, then when we are going through, when we are reading, we will understand that author name is very lengthy. Then we will notice there is some problem. So we will come back to Mendeley software and see the author names. Then by mistake, we might have copied all the three authors and paste at one go. No, we should not do. One by one, copy, paste, enter. Copy, paste, enter. Please note down. Okay, now I'm closing this. Okay. I think somebody is raising your hands. You can please unmute yourself and yes, now it is 7 o'clock. Yes, madam. Now this is the problem. When we disable the comment section, then this hand raising happens. I'm not seeing that and all. I'm not seeing the comments. I'm not seeing the hand raise. I'm sorry. Yes. Yes. So, yes. Whoever raised hands, what is the reason? Yes, sir, madam. Or sometimes by mistake also we will click that. Dear participants, yes, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. If it is by mistake, yes, just ignore, no problem. Yes, shall I proceed? 3 participants raised hand. No, please don't raise hands. If you have any query or you want me to repeat, or if I'm not audible, not clear, please, you can unmute and talk. Yes, that may be by mistake sometimes. Yes. So this is how we can edit. We can edit these informations. Now here, as a researcher, I want to tell one more thing. Now you have brought in some files. See, before bringing in itself, when you are downloading itself, you finalize whether you want that or not. When you're downloading itself, you fix it. Yes, I need this article, I'm downloading. I need this article, I'm bringing into Mendeley. You first finalize that. If you're not finalizing, okay, no problem. You bring into Mendeley, this renaming or adding these informations, please don't waste your time. Whenever you want to cite that particular item in your paper, at that time you can rename. Otherwise, sometimes if at one stretch, at one go, If we are bringing some 150 items, then what we'll do once again, we'll sort, we'll open, then we'll feed in the details. Then end of the day, maybe we may not use that article in our thesis or our paper. So don't waste your time on filling these details also. If you feel, for example, we have one more workshop scheduled where we want to teach thematic analysis using NVO software. NVO software, thematic content analysis we say, or thematic analysis we say. There, all these 150 articles, let us say in my case, I used 373 articles for my literature review. The literature review alone, 373 articles. What we did, we converted those 373 articles into a single file and feed into this qualitative data analysis software Mendeley. There, we identified patterns. We identified themes. And that theme is reported in my thesis. A thematic analysis I presented in my thesis. And especially my doctoral committee members, they were convinced. They appreciated that. Right? So you also can use. So in that case, you are finalizing your articles for your literature review. All these articles are going to be in your thesis. You are finalized, then you can spend enormous amount of time in cleaning this data, cleaning this. Otherwise, please don't waste your time. Then and now, whenever need arises, you just click and you can edit the information. Otherwise, please don't do it. You'll waste time. I have wasted enormous amount of time, because I told you when I went to Pondicherry University, I saw all the resources download, daily download only. Then we learned about Mendeley, then bring in all the articles, yes, clean. Sometimes several weeks will go on cleaning. Please don't repeat that mistake of mine. Yes, so whenever needed, you can open and copy paste and clean it. Yes. Right. Is that fine? Yes, this is how you have to clean. You have to clean. Now, so we have brought in the articles from our laptops, from internet. Then we have seen how to clean that, how to feed in the data, how to feed in the meta information. Yes. Now we'll see how to take notes using Mendeley. We'll see how to take notes using Mendeley. Why this function is very, very important? Why this feature is very, very important? Yes. Why? Because now I created one file. Yes. Now this is the file which I created now. And I didn't name the file. I just the default name, new MS Office document. Then after the session, somewhere it is there, maybe desktop. Then next week, desktop is full, copy paste somewhere. Then I will search, but I may not be in a position to locate the file. So instead of doing that, we can use Mendeley to take notes. We can use Mendeley to take notes. Yes. Now reading and recording using Mendeley. Reading, recording using Mendeley. Yes. Screen visible now. Yes. Now let us say reading some key issues and challenges facing India, perspectives on policies and action. I want to read that paper because it is related to the article which I am preparing now. So double click. Yes, the article is open. Yes, I am reading. Yes, I am reading, and I am preparing my introduction. Now I am reading through this paper. Yes. I'm just reading. reading. Let us say I am interested in this point. While the US economic and financial meltdown turned into a global economic meltdown, Indian banks, regulated effectively by the RBI, avoided the downsides that took the world by surprise. Yes, I want this point. So what I do, what we do, just we can copy here itself. Copy here and go to this notes, go to this notes, go to this notes and paste here and paste here. We can paste here. We can paste here. And we can also say for my introduction, for my introduction. And can you format? Can we format? Yes. Select and say bold for my introduction, for my introduction, for my introduction. Now, here itself, we can highlight because we are reading a research article and we may highlight so many points. We may copy so many information, maybe for our introduction section, for our methodology part, for our results and discussion section, and finally we may need for our conclusion also. So what we can do, yes, this point, just select, just copy, select, okay, select, and we can highlight, here the highlight option is here. Here we have the highlight option, say highlight text. Yes, now it is highlighted in yellow color. Once it is done, it is saved. It is saved. Many of us, we may not have a PDF editor. In PDF editor, this is possible. But without a PDF editor or this PDF highlighter, we may not be in a position to highlight in our PDF file. But using Mendeley, you can highlight. You can highlight. Okay, this is the only paper which we are reading. But maybe tomorrow we will read some other paper. We will take notes. And the day after, we may need some other paper. We may take notes. Now we may get confused why we have highlighted. So here itself, we can right click and say add note and say add note and say add note. So you may use some words which will highlight why you have copied this or selected this. Once again, here also you can tell this section talks or compares Indian regulator with US regulator, something like that. And yes, that's all. Yes. Now, whenever you open this article, this pop-up will be there. Then you know why you have selected that. And see, private annotations, you have some informations like this in the PDF article itself. We can highlight, we can take notes. Now I am closing this. Now if you want, maybe we are interested in this section and we want to highlight this section. Now you want to use a different color. Maybe this section you want for your introduction, and maybe this you are using for your results and discussion. So you can decide. For all our introduction, I'll use yellow color to highlight, and for my research and discussion section, I want to use maybe a pink color. So you can take color from this section. Color, maybe say pink color and say highlight. Yes, it is highlighted. That color coding also, we can by default, we can. Now you can right click, add notes. This is for my discussion section. If you want, yes, you can copy this and you can paste in the notes section. See, details has the metadata about the article, and the notes section, you can take notes. Yes. So this is how you can use this highlighter, as well as you can copy directly, paste into your Word, paste into your PPT, paste into this notes as well. Now you see this zoom option is available. Now you can click and it can be zoomed. You can zoom. Now full screen view also available. Yes, I have clicked the full screen view. Yes, if you press the escape button, it comes back to the original size. Yes, so this is how you can use Mendeley to read and record your notes. Record your notes. It manages your notes taking. Now I am closing this. This close button is here. I am closing this. So whatever changes we made is there already. Now we can open. Just scroll down. Yes, scroll down. Notes also there. Our comments are there. Yes, whenever we open, it is available for reading. If you want to delete, yes, delete button is there. Definitely you can delete. Now at this juncture, I want to highlight one more important sorting option. One more very useful option in Mendeley, which is tags. This tags, you can give some name to this paper. You can give some name to this paper. For example, I want to say the same keyword I want to use for my intro, for my introduction. Yes, I can close this. See the metadata under tags, I'm giving for my introduction, Yes, now I'm closing that. Now, here one more filtering option. Earlier we have seen the filtering options. Author wise we can filter, we can sort. Article title wise we can sort. Year wise, journal wise, and time wise also we can sort. Now this filtering option, this is helpful when we are consolidating our work, entire work, maybe entire article or the entire conference paper or the thesis. This comes to our help. So whenever we are taking notes, we have created these tags. So now I am in my introduction section, and suddenly I remember I have taken notes already. I have specified the articles which I will be using for introduction. So I can open Mendeley. Go to filter by. We have author keywords. We can filter by authors. We can filter by tags. Now say tags. So here in this folder, what is the name of the folder? The name of the folder is SSIM FDP demo. SSIM FDP demo is the name of the folder. In this folder, I have two tags. One tag is corporate governance models, which I created a little earlier, and the other is for my introduction. Yes. So this paper. Now I can focus only on this paper. Open, copy from the notes section or from the highlighted section. I can paste in my thesis or my paper. Now close this. Now in that article, not only for our introduction, it also has some information. Sharply 7:30 we will finish. In this article, we also have information for our results and discussion. So now go to tags, use this semicolon and say for my discussion. Just enter. Now you see here. So this folder SSIM FDP has 3 tags. One is CG models for my discussion, for my introduction. Now let me click this CG models. See this? Read Ananya Mukherjee paper. It has lot of corporate governance models in their paper. Now this may be used while writing my literature review or my methodology section. It will be useful. So this is how you can create tags. You can create tags. You can create tags. Very helpful during writing your article or conference paper or a report. This is report. Now I will close this. I will close this. Okay. So like this you can use. So now for this day I will stop here. Now time is 7:24. If you have any doubts, you can please unmute and ask. See, whatever we have discussed today, we have 2 more days where we will take through other features. This is a basic view of this Mendeley software. Yes. So definitely stage by stage for senior scholars, it might be boring if you already know this, but anyhow, slowly we'll move towards the advanced topics. Yes, already many participants started leaving.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. This is Dr. Rosie Bansal.
Sir.
It was indeed a very wonderful session, sir. Very informative.
Thank you, ma'am.
And quite energetic also. So I just want to know, like, how we can cite these articles in my references. If I'm writing a research paper and I have all the information here from my Mendeley, then
Madam,
how
tomorrow we are starting with introduction and referencing. Yes, madam.
Okay.
So this is Dr. Karuna.
Preparing our articles. You are
Hello,
preparing our
this is-
articles. Yes.
This is Dr. Karuna.
Participants, when you are
Thank you,
leaving,
sir.
if you know you leave, otherwise I will just demonstrate how to download, install everything. So please.
Okay. Thank you,
drop it.
sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Hello,
sir,
sir, can
this
you
is
hear me?
Sirisha. I
Yes.
just have one small doubt. Now, you showed us about how to sync the files of one particular topic, like corporate governance, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, if we are interested simultaneously, maybe in one more topic, say for example, corporate social responsibility. So there are 2 different topics, and we would like to segregate them. Is there any method to do that, sir? I would like to know that.
Yes, ma'am. That's why we have shared 2 folders, which we will be taking up tomorrow, madam. One more folder
Okay,
we have
sir.
shared, madam.
Okay. Okay,
Using
sir.
that folder, I will
Sir.
demonstrate.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sir, this is Dr.
Please, sir.
Madam, wait, madam. One more, sir. From the beginning, he is asking.
Okay,
Madam,
sir.
please wait. Sir,
Okay.
please.
Sir.
How to check the different formats, sir? For example, now we want MLA format, we want APA format. How to change the different formats using this particular software?
Tomorrow, sir. Sir,
Excuse me,
tomorrow,
sir.
sir, we are taking up, sir. We are taking up. Tomorrow fully for that only, sir.
Okay.
Good
okay,
evening, sir.
sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is Munish Sharma
Whatever we
from.
have discussed now, if doubts are there on these topics discussed today, it will be good. Other
Sir,
topics we are taking up tomorrow.
Sir, what is the time of this webinar? Hello, sir.
5:30 to 7:30, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
what is the time of this discussion?
What
Thank
about
you,
the
sir.
conference, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have downloaded the Mendeley.
To the
but
north of
maybe
India
I
are
need to
the
download
days.
the desktop.
One by one, please. Yes,
Sir, I
madam.
have
Can you
downloaded
put
the
the
Mendeley
pencil into MS Word? The north of the India are the days.
No, I have not at all taken a MS Word, sir. Tomorrow. That only. Today,
Sir,
I will be cleaning.
I have
preparing
downloaded
for
the
citing.
software, sir, Mendeley software.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
should we download even again under that Mendeley desktop also, sir, separately again?
Himalayas. Days are
No, ma'am,
very
no, ma'am. If you
fertile
download-
and a
Sir,
variety of fruits
sir,
are
please,
grown here.
please, sir.
Sir, this feedback form is not working, sir.
Madam,
Sir,
feedback,
feedback
don't worry,
Dismiss,
madam.
sir.
Learning,
Feedback
that is
not
important,
working.
madam.
Sir,
good evening, sir.
I have to take
Sir,
permission
your
from
feedback form is
organizers.
not working.
Software, madam. Feedback, don't worry. Link will be shared.
Feedback
Not working, sir. I have a doubt today's topic, sir.
I have
everyone.
one question,
Sir,
sir.
kindly mute everyone, please.
Sir, I have one question,
It's
please.
no more question answer.
I have,
Everyone
sir.
want to talk at a time. Kindly mute everyone. If you want to
I
ask
have,
question,
I have
everyone
one
will
query,
ask.
sir.
Sir, I have a doubt for today's topic only.
professionals.
No, sir, please, sir, no harsh words, sir.
Sir, good evening,
Please, sir.
Sir,
No,
I
harsh
have,
words.
I have one question, sir, please.
We are here to learn only, sir. Please.
Sir, I have one question. Can I ask?
Yes, sir, please, sir.
Myself, Munish Sharma from Himachal Pradesh, sir.
Yes, sir.
First of all, sir, very thank you. Just to elaborate the use of this Mendeley. So I have one question. As you told us about how to cite a book without having a soft copy of that.
India
So
is
can we just
focused on
upload the
India.
PDF? Can we just upload the PDF files into memory, or can we upload the?
Sir, sorry, sir. Sir, you can unmute yourself, sir.
Sir, I
Yes,
have
sir,
a
we can do,
doubt.
sir. Sir, we can do, sir. We can do citing. Tomorrow we are taking up. Citing
Sir,
tomorrow we
how
are
to
taking up.
sort,
This
sir?
is
How to
differing,
sort?
differing the article, sir.
My
The
question
feedback
was,
form is
For
not
progression.
working,
if
sir.
you
Please
like
help,
the south of the
sir.
northern plates.
Sir, maybe
sir,
we
my
can
question
raise
Feedback
was,
form
hands
is
and one
not
by one you
working,
can
sir.
answer, sir. Whoever raise hands.
Participants,
Which
participants, please,
specifically
please.
lies to the south of the northern plates.
See, we
So
are
please help,
almost
sir.
850 people. One by one, one by one.
sir, may I
Sir,
complete
feedback
my
form
question,
is
please?
not working, sir.
Madam, don't worry about feedback form, madam. Feedback form, don't worry.
May I
Okay,
complete
sir.
my
Thank
question,
you, sir.
please, sir?
Thank you, sir.
Attendance, don't
Country that
worry.
lies to the
Feedback, attendance, certificate, don't worry, please.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
may I
Thank you, sir.
complete my question,
If you
sir?
are here for certificate, please don't come for tomorrow. Yes. Now what should I do? Yes, madam, one by one I'm coming. That Kiran Tiwari, madam. Sorry, I do not know madam or sorry.
Good evening, sir. I have a question. I'm a student, so which kind of article we can search on website, which is best?
Yes, we'll take up tomorrow or the last day. Okay. Yes. Okay, madam. We'll take up last day. Yes. You can. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Kiran Badoni.
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, I have one question regarding tag. You said something like tag. So I
Yes,
want to know about this.
Yes, madam. See, when we are clicking the article, the information, article information is available on the right side of your screen. That is, we say metadata, information about this article. There, the option tag option is there. See, all these sorting, year we cannot change. Author, we cannot change. So we are filtering. Now, if we want to have some more specific information related to that article, it can be given in the tags. For example, that article has some information which can be used in my methodology. So I am giving the tag as for my methodology. Sir, sharing, sir. Wait, madam. I'll just show that. Please wait. See, I'm going to all documents. Now, madam, are you with me? Is my screen visible? Yes. Now, these are the tags I have for my Mendeley library. Now, whenever I go to my professor, he asks, what is your base book? Whenever I go to my Dr. Committee meeting, members ask, what is your base paper? I may not remember. So I click this. Sir, I have 4 base papers. Do you have any report? Yes, I named it as base report. Yes, I have one report from CFA Institute. See, corporate governance, they say n number of definitions. Do you have any proof for that? Or do you have any clear-cut definition? Yes, sir, I have, sir. Definition. Yes, but see, the article title is different. Corporate governance dimension of sustainability. But this article has definition, a clearly defined definition for corporate governance. Then I have one tag, corporate governance evolution. Among these n number of articles, these four articles, they talk more on the evolution of corporate governance. But none of the title has that word, yes, except this. Study on state of corporate governance in India, evolution, issues and challenges. Other articles, yes, here and there they have. So this tags is very helpful when we are writing our thesis. Is that okay, madam? Stop share. Yes. Yes, so many people. Vijay Lakshmi, madam. Vijayalakshmi madam. Yes, madam, you can ask, madam.
Good evening, sir. Sorry to interrupt.
No problem.
Actually, Google form feedback form is not opening, sir.
Yes, madam. Madam, that we have on a Telegram group that we will send.
Okay.
You can check after some time, maybe after 8 o'clock, madam. Yes, madam. Thank you, madam.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Maybe one last question. Others, you can post your questions in our Telegram group. Karthi, is that fine? Yeah. Yes, we can post in our Telegram group. Tomorrow at the start of the session, we'll take up with the question. Maybe one final question we can take up because already it's time. Which is that last question? Maybe not question, maybe clarification. Which one? Huh? Yes. Wait, Batmini madam, you can ask. Batmini madam.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
It was a very informative and very useful session. Thanks for making the evening so informative for us, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
My simple doubt, it may sound illogical also, just
No
for my
problem.
knowledge I'm asking. There are keywords when we talk about or we search for researchers or when we collect our data. So do we need to store those keywords, or do we need to search on the basis of those keywords, get the data and then feed in your format, sir, what you have taught us now?
Ma'am, that is the basis of our literature review, madam. Like we finalize the keywords. First, we are finalizing the topic. We are, as a researcher, along with the experts, especially our guide and the Dagla committee, we are finalizing the keywords. We are using the keywords in any database search. We finalize the time period also, maybe last 20 years, last 50 years, last 5 years. So these things we have to record in our literature review methodology.
Okay.
Yes, madam. Yes. So you have to note down, madam.
Yes, sir. We will definitely
We have
do
one
it.
more workshop coming up. That will I already
Okay,
told
sir.
you. A literature review using qualitative data analysis software.
Sabi
First day, we will discuss the basics. Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And what about the check for plagiarism and all, sir? This is just for reference we are doing and we are saving it, sir. So it is just for the literature review, and we will not take any of these replicated in our paper, no, sir? When we present
That as a researcher, we need to take care.
Okay, personally. Okay.
Nothing to do with Mendeley software.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Hello,
much.
sir. This is Anis from Chennai, sir. I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, in your session, you access the journal or book from the Shuddh Ganga, isn't it? So I want just the pathway, how you entered in that, sir. I want
No,
the
madam,
pathway.
just Google Scholar only, ma'am. I went to this Google Scholar and typed the keyword. There were some references. So randomly, I selected one of the articles for our demonstration.
So it is not necessary for us to go through the Mendeley, isn't it, sir? It's not necessary for us to go through
Mendeley is managing your e-resources. Nothing to do with search. Earlier they had Mendeley search, but now.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir, good evening, sir. It's a very nice presentation, sir. But a small doubt, sir.
Dear participants, this question will treat as the last question. You can post your questions in our group.
Okay, sir. It's a small question, sir.
So you
Hello.
can just post your questions.
Hello, sir. It's a very small question, sir. Is it possible to download every paper which is present in the Google, sir?
That depends on the institute, sir. Here we have access to some databases. So depending on SSIM, we have access to different databases. So through that,
okay, sir.
We are downloading, sir. There are other methods which we cannot discuss over live platform. Offline we can discuss, sir.
Sir, how to join Telegram group, sir?
Okay, sir.
Madam, I think you have my number or Karthik number. Okay. You send one hi message. We will send you the link, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Is there a maximum number of papers for Mendeley?
Feedback link is there. Please, you can now feedback link is enabled.
About
Yes,
the
you can do
feedback only,
You
please
can record your attendance also. Yes,
listen.
madam.
Is there a maximum number of limit?
Yes, madam. Yes.
Sir, actually, I'm not attached in the Telegram. I've mailed right now. And one question which I'd like to ask is if we just
Madam, wait,
download.
madam. Already one question is there. I'll answer that. So now we have this Mendeley, EndNote, and Jotiro. These are the competitors. These three. Among that, Mendeley is giving more storage compared to
What
other
is the
two,
maximum
Jotiro
limit,
and
sir?
EndNote.
What is the maximum limit, sir?
Madam, limit. How can you tell, madam?
No, the number of papers, like so much
No,
for,
madam, for example,
reference.
I have some 250 papers, and each paper is only 3 MB size. Now I may have one book which is a 64 MB.
Got it, sir.
Okay, so the storage limit is the,
2
okay.
GB, 2 GB, madam, 2 GB. I think 2 GB.
Oh, okay, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. And
think
from
2 GB
afternoon,
is
the mentally work
sufficient enough,
software is not getting downloaded, sir.
Sir, actually, if feedback, form is not getting opened, it is showing that it can be opened to only to
Now
the.
it's working.
right.
It's opening.
Yes, that's
Please
right.
go through it. It is already open.
No, it's working
No,
now.
it doesn't.
Good evening. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have one question. Can I ask you, sir,
It's
please?
working. Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, good evening. This is
Sir is
Shalini.
asking, madam, please wait.
Sir, please give your contact number, sir.
Data is still remaining 99 SMS, sir.
Can I ask a question
Entire
now?
institute, we have
said
only
that
2 numbers.
Sir, please kindly give your contact number, sir, in chat box so that we can contact you even after, okay, after some time, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I think
It's
every,
there in the
sir's
brochure.
number is there in the
My number
brochure.
is
I think
there,
everyone
Karthik
can
number
go
is
through
there.
in the brochure.
Please. Yes, sir.
No, sir, in chat box, please kindly put in, sir.
Sir, now this is the problem, sir. When we are not coming
It's
through
there
the
in the
proper
mail,
channel,
sir. Brochure, it is there.
it's there,
Invitation mail.
sir. So I think today only you joined through some link. I do not know how you joined.
Every detail is there in the brochure,
Every
sir.
detail is
Please,
there, sir.
please search it.
Sir, may I complete my
Sir,
question,
please.
please?
Tomorrow during the first session, I'll share my mobile number also.
I
Please
think
share,
this
sir.
is the first presentation, sir, in which the time is not sufficient. Okay, it seems time is not sufficient for discussion or anything,
Yes,
sir.
sir. This is applicable for all scholars. So we
Yes,
have
sir.
40%
It's sir.
register.
But it is a very much interesting,
You are sending a local SMS, no?
elaborated and useful presentation,
I'd
sir.
like to ask a question, sir, please.
There's
When
a
we
query, sir.
download all
Tomorrow, madam,
documents,
because we are in the office, entire team,
Sir,
my HOD,
sir,
my director, everybody is here.
sir,
Thank
I
you
don't
so
have
much,
any
sir.
question,
Thank
sir.
you so much,
So
sir.
please post in the feedback. I'm sorry. No,
Sir,
our
where is
entire
the
team is
feedback
here.
form, sir? Where is the
Entire team
feedback
is here.
form,
We have
sir?
to leave only after ending the session.
Chat box.
We are sorry. Please put in
not
the.
working.
Thank you.
Feedback
We
link
have
is
coded
working.
restriction
Feedback
also in
link
the
is
mail.
working.
Sorry.
Feedback form is in chat box, sir.
Sir,
Please kindly refer it, sir.
Feedback form is not there, sir. It's working. It's working. Feedback form is working in the chat box.
No, madam. Now it is working, madam.
What's the email
Sir, we
ID?
are unable to get the feedback link, sir. Please send one more time, sir.
Feedback form is
No,
there.
please take my number, sir. Please take my number. Karthi, number kudupa. 94
94
88
949488.
Sir,
Please don't repeat.
948857 9383. You just send a text, sir. I will give Telegram group link after 10 minutes. Sir,
one more time, sir. Sir, your number, please.
Madam, 9488575383. So tomorrow we'll start on time. No introduction, no nothing. Directly we'll go to demonstration.
Sir, one last question from my side. Madam,
my HOD and director waiting, madam. Yes, madam. Quickly.
Sir, I mean, it might not be directly related to today's session,
Madam,
but
kindly
still I want
please
to
ask
ask you,
tomorrow,
how
madam,
do we
because,
select the
okay.
base
It
paper?
is not good to
sir?
ask.
Yes, madam, base paper.
How do
Tomorrow
we
we'll
select
discuss.
the base paper?
Yes, madam. Please hold on your question.
Huh.
That your guide has to tell, madam.
Okay.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. There is no hard and fast rule. Yes. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for your time. Bye. Tomorrow, 5:30.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
This is the first seminar, webinar presentation, sir, in which
Thank you. Thank you
huge
so much, sir.
positive
Thank you.
impression is came out, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Initially, we had some difficulties. We are very sorry
The
for that.
most
Tomorrow we'll
important
not
thing,
be able to-
kindly share the feedback link, sir, on Telegram or somewhere else, wherever you want.
Yes, sir. We'll share, sir. We'll share, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It was a good.
Thank you, sir.
presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, feedback link is working now, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, research person, you are very great, sir. Very patient and